At EMAX, our engineers are driven by self-improvement, constantly pushing boundaries to bring you the best. That's why, when challenged to create the next chapter in the Tinyhawk series, they developed the extraordinary Tinyhawk III Plus. This latest innovation takes everything we loved about previous generations and elevates it to new heights, addressing any limitations along the way. The Tinyhawk III Plus boasts a rigid body frame, prioritizing durability like never before. Every weak point has been meticulously reinforced, ensuring ultimate reliability. Feel confident as you race, knowing that your motors and electronics are well protected within the aircraft's sturdy internals. The Tinyhawk III Plus punches through interference and obstacles with ease. You'll experience a more robust signal, allowing you to fly with confidence even in challenging environments. Our engineers have fine-tuned the analog system to optimize signal strength while maintaining stability, so you can focus on your flight without worrying about signal dropouts. The Tinyhawk III Plus HD version features our groundbreaking HD0 video transmission system, setting a new standard for clarity and precision. This system ensures that every detail of your flight is captured in stunning high-definition quality. Say goodbye to low-quality feeds and immerse yourself in the crystal-clear visuals that HD0 delivers. Alongside the Tinyhawk III Plus HD version, we proudly unveil the reimagined Transporter 2 HD FPV goggle. It features a detachable screen that can be paired with our brand new E8 transmitter, providing a fully customizable flying experience tailored to your preferences. Equipped with a powerful receiver, the Transporter 2 HD ensures a pristine high-definition video feed, delivering the clearest visuals possible. And with the built-in DVR, you can capture your FPV flights in stunning HD, review them, or share your exhilarating flight footage with others. The E8 transmitter, featuring high-quality gimbals, guarantees unmatched precision and smoothness, raising the bar for drone control. The E8 transmitter is the perfect companion for the Tinyhawk III Plus, offering an exceptional flying experience with its cutting-edge ELRS transmitter protocol. ELRS is renowned for its low latency and rock-solid signal reliability, ensuring that your commands are executed with lightning-fast responsiveness. The Tinyhawk III Plus is the culmination of our commitment to building upon the past and creating the ultimate micro-indoor racing drone. Get ready to experience the thrill and excitement like never before. Join us on this remarkable journey as we continue to redefine what's possible in the world of racing drones. The Tinyhawk III Plus by EMAX, where innovation meets excellence.